Hey, what is going on, everyone? My name is Matt, and welcome back to my channel. $10,000. Think about that number real quick. $10,000 is, to me, and has always been, a lot of money to make per month. I know there's a lot of people that make less than that, and I know there's a lot of people who make more than that. Today, I wanted to do a video kind of unveiling how I made my first $10,000 a month, and how I'm looking to scale past that now that I've really hit that mark. Every time I post a video going forward, I want to be as transparent as possible. I'm not into e-com. I'm not into crypto. I'm not someone selling a course. I do this through sales, and sales will be something that I tell my kids about. People who come to me, Matt, how do I make money? Sales is one of the best starting jobs if you want to make a lot of money, at least in my opinion. And here's why. First of all, it's all up to you. It teaches you how to really become your own boss. Second, you're able to make a significant amount of money putting in the work. If you're willing to put in the work, you're able to make potentially more than the CEO. You don't see that in the normal job. When you have a normal wage, someone else is profiting off of you. Think about it. If you're working a job right now that is 9 to 5, there's nothing wrong with it, by the way, you're telling your boss you are worth that amount per hour. Let's say if you're working for minimum wage, which is I think $16 in Canada, you're telling your boss, hey, I'm worth $16 an hour. Now, somewhere along the line that didn't sit right with me, because I knew that I could be doing something that was worth my time, that might not be providing me as much income in the beginning, but I knew that would grow alongside me as I developed my skills to earn more. I quit my job June 26th, 2021. That is my birthday. I quit on my birthday. I said, I don't care what I'm doing. I just can't stay doing this rat race. And keep in mind, full time, I've only ever worked 1.5 years. I'm pretty entrepreneur spirit. I have a very big entrepreneur spirit, and I care a lot about it. I care about feeding the things that fuel me instead of feeding the things that, drain my energy. If you are truly willing to put in the work, I think sales could be a great starting point for you. Don't get the 9 to 5, don't get the steady income, get to something that's going to teach you about yourself. Sales, you really learn who you really are. When you get told no 1,000 times, will you keep going or will you give up? And that's what it taught me. It taught me that I can get told no a lot. I've been told no a shit ton. And guess what? I get up again. And that's what really helped me scale, because last year I made less money than someone who was working minimum wage. This year, I've been able to scale to $10,000 a month and maybe even more. That's not me bragging. That is just the truth. Sales is an amazing place to make a lot of money, and I've had to put in the work, and I've failed a lot, and I'll probably fail, going forward, but I got to get up. And this is just me being transparent. I'm not starting an e-com store or anything. This is just me putting the pedal to the metal, making the phone calls, connecting with people. When I first started, I was really worried about getting into it. I didn't want to reach out to anyone. I didn't want to bother anyone. And so my income showed for it. But if you're able to pick up the phone, or you're able to go to the business itself, sell to the businesses in your hometown, you will make money. And I didn't start doing this until last month. And now that I actually have put my foot to the pedal and started going to the businesses, where's my business card? I made myself business cards. You can see business cards. You know what, man, I'm not interested. Okay, cool. Here's my business card. Take a look at the back. It describes exactly what I do. Give me a call when you're ready, because I know you need my product. Just being confident, being able to put yourself out there will get you sales. Because if you talk to 100 people and 99% of them say no, all it takes is that 1%, especially if you're in sales. Because guess what? If you're working for commission, you look for something that pays you high commission, you believe in the product, and if you could solve people's problems, you will definitely make money if you go for quality and quantity. So if you go for quality clients and you go for quantity, so you start talking to everyone about your product, you will make money. It might not be a lot of money right away, but you'll get better and better and better every time you fail, unless you're a quitter. If you quit, you'll never make money. That's just business. So yeah, that's my little rant about sales, starting in sales. So if you're in a 9-to-5, consider a sales job. You know, I think sales is very fulfilling, especially if you get good at it. And the people you meet along the way, especially if you're in the financial industry or you're solving a business problem, you're going to meet business owners. Now, that's really important because the business owners you meet can provide opportunity for you down the road or even right then and there. There might be like, hey, we're looking for investors. You might get it, you've been able to solve these problems. How do you feel about investing in our company? You'll get insider knowledge to all these businessmen, these people who are actually actively, trying to create lives for themselves. So instead of being an employee for them, you create value for them, and potentially that might lead to things down the road. Someone who I really like and look up to, Luke Belmare. And Luke is really fond of people who, instead of getting the 9-to-5 working at McDonald's, they get the 9-to-5 working at the expensive wine tasting, place. And the difference is that, look at the people and the quality of people you see at McDonald's versus the wine place. The people who you talk to on a daily basis, are they going to lead to maybe greater experiences, or are they going to drag you down? Well, at McDonald's, what are you building for yourself? You have a choice. You might be getting paid the same, but the people who you meet and your mentorship you get there might be totally different. So just keep that in mind. Kind of combine those two. So you start in sales, find a company that's going to teach you how to sell, who's going to teach you the secrets of the wealthy, who is going to teach you how to get told no. Find a company doing that, work for them, put in the work, and you will make money. I can almost guarantee it. It happened with me, and I'm going to continue to keep pushing forward, and I'm going to keep talking about it because I think everyone should get into sales or some form of place where you're not exchanging your time for money. Yeah, like I exchange my time for money, but not nearly as much as a 9-to-5, if that makes sense. Somewhere where you can actually scale. Find a place where you can scale your business, scale into, hiring people for you, scale into content. I'm looking for people to take over my social media so I don't have to actually edit my own videos, post them and stuff like that. You need to learn how to scale, and sales is that place. So this is that quick little video. Hope you guys found value. And if you did, make sure you subscribe, and I'm going to continue to post on this channel more and more. But anyways, guys, have a nice day. My name's Matt, and see you in the next video.